In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up iPhone to iCloud. Backing up your iPhone is one of the easiest ways to protect your photos, messages, app data, and settings in case you ever lose your device or upgrade to a new one. iCloud Backup runs in the background, and once it's set up, you don't have to think about it again. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in with your Apple ID and that you have a reliable Wi-Fi connection. iCloud uses your iCloud storage space, so keep in mind you'll need enough free space for the backup to complete. Let's turn on iCloud Backup. Open Settings on your iPhone. At the very top, tap your name to open your Apple ID settings. Next, tap iCloud. In the iCloud settings, find and tap iCloud Backup. On that screen, turn on the option labeled Backup this iPhone. That single switch tells your iPhone to start using iCloud for device backups going forward. Here's what happens from now on. Apple sets iCloud to back up your iPhone automatically each day when three simple conditions are met. Your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi, it's plugged in and charging, and it's locked. That's why many people like to leave their phone on the charger overnight while connected to home Wi-Fi. The backup can run quietly without interrupting your day. If any one of those conditions isn't met, the backup will simply wait until they are, so you won't use mobile data or battery unexpectedly. It's a good idea to double-check that everything worked. To confirm your backup, go back to Settings, tap your name, then iCloud, and then iCloud Backup. On this screen, look for the line that says Last Successful Backup. You'll see a date and time there. If it shows a recent time, like last night or earlier today, you're all set. That timestamp is your proof that iCloud safely stored a copy of your iPhone. If the date looks old, it usually means your phone hasn't been on Wi-Fi, charging, and locked at the same time recently. The simplest way to help it along is to connect to a stable Wi-Fi network, place the phone on a charger, lock it, and give it some time. Also remember that iCloud needs enough storage for the backup. If your storage is nearly full, the backup may pause until space is available. That's it. With iCloud Backup turned on and verified, your iPhone will take care of itself each day, keeping your data protected and ready to restore whenever you need it.